here in the nation's capital,
Whoa.
but there was also death and destruction here as one of the 4 hijacked planes was crashed.
We got us a wreck.
Hello YouTube dash cameras and viewers, this is Bill Monkey and I'm going to step through this accident and show why this intersection here is so wrought with accidents. First of all, you got this section here that's got a convenience store, restaurants, a gym, and if you are in this area and you need to get back on Oakdale going south, you've got very limited options. The first is to come out of this driveway here, come up here, and then turn left. And this option right here, you cannot turn left out of here. And here you can come up this way, and right here you can come up this way, and this is during rush hour. This is very busy. There's cars coming down 2 lanes, and it's just as dangerous as this intersection. And these exits here only go to the right, so you're going to go a very long ways in order to get back to Oakdale. And the only safe way is a very roundabout way, and that's to make your exits this way on Highlands Parkway, wait for the red light, go straight across, and then you have to turn around here, and then you're going to have to wait for the red light again because this light's very fast. Then once you get to green, you're going to have to come up Highlands Parkway, and then you're going to have another stoplight here that you're going to have to wait for green because during rush hour you pretty much can't turn this way because there's so much traffic coming up this road. And make your way back through here. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like from both viewers' perspective at this accident. And here's where the red car was, and you can't tell this, but this is a downgrade going backwards, so you're kind of sitting downhill as it is. And during rush hour, this is completely packed with cars. This was early in the morning, it was dark, there's lights. You're totally blind to any vehicle in this middle lane. And so the driver of the orange car pulled out because the car was stopped here for him to go through. He pulled out. He could not see if any vehicle was in this lane, and that's where the collision happened. Now on the SUV's point of view, he was coming down this way, and then he got in this lane because he was going to turn left at this light. And so with this lane completely packed with cars, it's dark, he traveled along the middle lane, not being able to see if any car was coming out of here, and that's where the collision happened.